No bad energy can clog my mind. Not today, don't have the time. Too many bad days, let's celebrate life. We don't live twice. Everybody get on your feet. Move your body, let the beat control you. Raise your hands like your soul is free. We're gonna have a good time tonight.
You guys, so we're at Bahama Mama.
Bahama Mama. We are at Bahama Mama.
Yeah. And I'm gonna take my camera. And this, we got our food.
Bust down.
Yeah.
It's my birthday appreciation day.
I'm gonna show you guys the food. Hold on. I got my infamous pineapple bowl.
It's the infamous
chicken. It has
Jamaican jerk chicken.
That's mine for potato. Don't let that fool you. And then that's his fries.
Oh, yeah. Oh. You want to talk about your drink though?
Can I try another drink? I don't really like that.
You know, like, can we just switch it out for you?
Yeah, can I try something else? I don't. Can you just, what's on here that's strawberry or something, or pineapple?
Strawberry?
Yeah, like strong, because that's too strong.
So we have the Tito Ski says strawberry freeze. It's like a strawberry lemonade with vodka. Try that one. We also have the pineapple crown martini, but it's like it's pretty much coconut rum and pineapple juice and a little bit of brandy.
I'm trying to get something else other than Bahama Mama. I always get that.
And right here you can look at the picture.
Can I get the Bahama Mama?
Let me show the Bahama Mama.
What's your favorite? It's okay, you just try something new.
Yeah, I did. I thought I was I'm trying to like watermelon and I
Go
didn't.
back to your old favorite.
Can't get
I'll bring
jiggy.
it for you.
So this is, I guess it's halfway or more than I can eat. I guess it's halfway or more than I can eat. So she's gonna bring me a Bahama Mama because I did not like my drink. But yeah, I'm gonna eat now. How's your wings? Can I have your bristle?
I ate it just now.
Oh my god, he ate the gristle, guy. Oh my gosh! He never eats the gristle. This is really good. That's crazy. I'm the gristle girl. I eat the gristle. Hey everybody. So alright. A little bit of it. So yesterday I got some flowers and I want to find a vase to put them in. Or container to put them in. We don't have a vase. So I have to improvise. But I don't know what to improvise with. Oh, and this glass is broken. Wow. Somebody broke this. Cup. Let's see if it'll stay. Oh, my thing. Got some water. gonna take it outside. Just look at it. It's so pretty. And then some of them hasn't blossomed yet, so it's like, or bloomed, or however you say it. I'm not gonna put the food in there yet because I'd rather wait until like it really needs. I don't think it needs the food yet. Just some water. All right. So I wanted to do my nails, but I wanted to finish my nails, but I wanted to have a serious conversation with you guys. I have to go back to South Carolina. My mother needs basically care, like 24 hours, I guess you could say. It'll be, she needs somebody to monitor right now. She don't need 24-hour care yet, as of yet, but she do need someone to monitor her. And it's kind of awkward because here I am trying to establish my life out here in Florida, and I have to go back. So it's giving like I need to just continue to do what I'm doing, like vlogging and recording. Like, don't stop doing that because, you know, I feel like for me, everything else is not permanent when it comes to me having funds, except for my music or being a creator, you know. So yeah. I want to, well, it's not even a month. Soon, I will, my goal is to be able to move my mother wherever I am, wherever I go. So it'll be easy. But we will see. We will see. This is getting long. Maybe I should have tied it like this. I don't know. I'm going to bring the camera out later, but I need some woosah time. So you guys, I picked an idea on what I want to do. I think I'm going to do, okay, well, I'm going to do something like this, but with duck nails. Capiche? I already did my shaping, my filing. Now I just have to paint the nails. I did have one nail that's shorter than all of them, and I found it. I thought it was the ring finger or the middle finger. It's the pinky. This one is shorter than this one, but it's okay. It's only the pinky. Okay, so I painted them this color because I want to do an ice cream cone look. You guys gonna see. Alright, you guys, so right now I'm gonna draw the line for the squiggle for the ice cream part. I just want to let you guys know there was no specific design that I was doing. I was just freestyling. So you can, if you are going to redo these nails, you don't have to follow exactly what I did. I didn't even follow the exact picture that I was going off of. I just really went off of what I wanted to draw off the dome, or however I felt in that second. I will be honest with you, it is now June 1st. So I am just now finishing this video because I did not put these nails on. I just wanted to make the nails. I didn't want to wear them right now. I'm still not wearing them right now. I only put these on for the video. Okay, see, these are the nails so far. I did the waffle base so far, and I'm going to show you how I did it when I go over this nail. So I get my brown. So in order to get the waffle cone look that I wanted, I had to make sure the lines overlap. So I went on one side and started drawing diagonal lines. And then I went to the other side of the nail. And then I started drawing diagonal lines. So as you see, I'm crossing over the lines that I just went over. And that's making the waffle shape. Or waffle. It's really not that hard. Anybody can do it. Boom. And that's how I did it. So I started all the nails off with white polish first because it will be easier to pick up the color, because some of the polishes that I use are very, very light colored, and I don't want to do too many layers of colors. So when you're using a light polish, or really any polish, and you want the color to pop out like the first, second coat, just use white polish at the bottom first, especially with yellow. It really, 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 really makes the yellow pop out. So as I'm doing it, I'm showing you the colors that I chose. I wanted them to kind of be in the same color range, but not really like look like they belong or together, or, you know, like some cute ice cream colors. Okay, so I have 4 out of 10 nails painted. They're not fully done because I'm going to do matte at the bottom for this, and then put top coat on the top. But I have to do another coat of this one because this is a light color. I really had fun making these nails, even though it's June 1st and I'm just not putting them on and finishing this video, doing the voiceover and everything. But hey, I'm getting it done. So that's how you know I really like it, because if I didn't like these nails, I wouldn't post the video or anything. So, boom. I'm putting the matte at the bottom, and then I put the gloss at the top, so you can see like the waffle effect. Because waffles are matte, you know, waffles is not shiny, you know, whatever. So that's why I chose matte at the bottom. So boom, here's me putting the nails on and showing you what it looked like on my hand. And yeah, this is the end of today's video. I love you guys. If you want to stay updated about being behind the scenes, check the description box down below. Love, hugs, and kisses. See you later.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, this the outro.
For Niyeahya.
It's the outro.
For Niyeahya.
It's the outro.
For Niyeahya.
Subscribe, please, and thank you. It's the outro.
For Niyeahya.
It's the outro.
For Niyeahya.
It's the outro.
For Niyeahya. For Niyeahya.